Hi guys, just a quick note on my last video. The heading was ACT 2007 question 10. That should have been ACT 2015 question 10. So that was my apologies. Okay, now let's get into this question. Students studying motion observed a cart rolling at a constant rate along a straight line. The table below gives the distance, d feet, the cart was from the reference point at 1 second intervals from t equal to 0 seconds to t is equal to 5 seconds. Which of the following equations represents this relationship between d and t? So, a few things. Constant rate, we know that's going to be m, which is the slope. Straight line, so we know we know that the equation would look like this: y is equal to mx plus b. And we know that b is going to be the initial amount. Let me put that here. B is the initial amount. So we can see that the initial amount would have to be 14 because that's the distance the cart was when the time was 0 seconds. So the initial distance of the cart was 14. So right away we know that B is equal to 14. And we can also find the slope if we take 2 points. So if I take this point here, which is 0 and 14, and I take this point here, which is 1 and 20, let's say call this x1, y1, x2, and y2. Then I can use my slope formula. So my slope formula, remember, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if you substitute, that'll be 20 minus 14 over 1 minus 0, which gives us 6 over 1, that's your constant rate, 6 feet per second. That's the rate at which the cart was moving or rolling, okay? So the equation would be, now remember, t is going to represent x and d would represent y, okay? So the equation would have to be d is equal to 6 t plus 14, okay? Because m is 6 and b is 14. So the correct answer here would have to be C. That's going to be a correct answer.